So the first place to start with YouTube is planning. You don't just say, I'm gonna go YouTube, you need to plan for it. So first, I want to put it in the chat. Start off with here, the Google Doc. It's for anybody that wants to do YouTube. Again, if you're don't have this on your plans for this year, just learn from it, but don't get distracted by it. Planning. You plan on how many, especially this one, videos recorded. How many videos you're gonna record per month. Ideally, if it was me, I would do 20 videos a month, which is basically a video every weekday. Definitely not one per week. That's not enough. It was definitely not enough. 3 is okay, but ideally 5. You plan it out for the rest of the year. You also, doesn't matter, just plan out how many subscribers you want. Your subscriber growth is very slow in the beginning, but again, as I shared with you, you just focus on just producing. It's like a robot. I don't care about the numbers. I'm gonna post as many videos as I can. So planning. Next is you need to go look up find your direct competitors. You go on YouTube, you take your top keywords, say planning, Idaho, for example. I would go on the video page and I would sort it by the most popular. Not only would I subscribe, I'll also sort it by the most popular. And it seems like, he didn't get that much traction and he stopped. But this one, so what I do is I want to look at the top videos of my top competitors. And I don't want to come up with topics by myself. I want to go figure out what has worked, what YouTube has shown, like actual stats that this has worked. This works on YouTube. I find the top ones, and these become my first topics for the videos. So, for example, one is ask the step planning turn into any will and trust. You don't have to copy it exactly, but something like that. After you get the list of your competitors, get their URLs so you know them really well. You put on the next tab is you put the list of your competitors' titles of the top videos. That's one competitor. Let's just say there's another competitor right here. Okay, this one is 106,000 views. They're planning basics, essentials. That would be a very good topic to do. And we'll basically make a list of your first 20 videos that you would like to do. Okay, plan out what you're gonna do. For each of the topics, you're not gonna write out the script. And let me just share with you how I did it. On Wednesdays, I have one of my marketing people who comes over at 3 p.m. And I literally, I had no topics before he came. Right as soon as he came, I just went to my top competitors, did what I just shared with you, went to the top videos, and pulled out what I thought was like the top 7 topics that already did well for my competitors. And I basically took those, just revised the titles, and I wrote these out. Then, literally in one shot, while I'm standing here, without even thinking about it, thinking about too much. Basically, the topic is 5 reasons to start a virtual law firm. Started writing out the bullet points. I just write out the bullet points. Bullet points, bullet points, bullet points. No script, no nothing. And I basically printed this out. Then in one shot, basically I literally had the paper in my hand. Today we're talking about this, and I went through the checklist. So without a script, you just need basically the title and basically the bullet points that we're going to talk about. You're going to free flow from it, and you're going to batch record the videos. You don't try to record one video a day. Instead, you have a video day that you record as many videos as you can do. That's all you got to do. The rest is you just drop it into a Google Drive folder, have a VA or an agency take care of the rest. What that looks like, so I can show you the back end, is I have a Google Drive. The folder is called Edit These Videos. Drop all these videos in here. And all that they do is they get these videos, they edit it, they do everything else. They make the thumbnails, they schedule it, they upload it, and once it's uploaded, they just drop it off into here, already uploaded. So that's all I could do. Imagine now, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I'm like posting one video a day on my YouTube channel. All it is, it's literally Wednesday, 3 to 6 p.m. I don't do anything else. And again, it's a long-term play. I don't expect anything. I'm not expecting any clients right now, but I do expect a lot of clients in 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Just to give you guys more light at the end of the tunnel, by law. Let's see how old is my oldest video. 7 years ago. Started, just doesn't matter. I don't care about the numbers. Post them on, just post them there. Now 11,000 subscribers, hundreds of thousands of views, 70 to 80% of our clients coming from YouTube. And I stopped even, I don't have time to continue it. So I basically had my employees basically go and post videos. Now they're picking up views. And then just yesterday, I just checked the back end and I noticed there's so much potential. If I just get somebody to just go take this channel and just post more videos, I could quadruple everything else. That's why I just posted in our Facebook group, hey, anybody who's a business lawyer who wants to partner up, want to see if we can somehow join forces. That's basically the vision. Again, long term, just do it now, reap the benefits later down the line.
You said to go look at what your competitors are doing. I just did that I just looked up criminal attorney Michigan. I looked up bankruptcy Michigan, and I don't think there's a lot there. I mean, I see some of these. I saw a couple of things on criminal. Like there's one guy who's like one of the top criminal attorneys around here. Who's got one video here with 1 million views.
Yeah, but if you start off with specific like Michigan and then your state, and then if you don't find any good data, then you just do criminal lawyer or just
right. But what I'm asking is though, when I did the search, and then it comes up with different people's. How do I know who's got? I'm not searching for channels. I'm searching for videos when I do the search.
And it's not just criminal lawyers. Like just like particular questions about your niche. So how do you start LLC? Always describe them. And then sort by most popular. Now, single member LLC mistakes you should avoid. That's definitely a topic I wanted to. You should put yourself in a single member LLC. Even though this has nothing to do with what I do, at least I'll give views, and from that maybe I'll get potential clients from it. How to legally start a business, 10 steps that you need to do now. You just take the top ones and you make them better.
And then when you should ask for subscriptions in the video, or just have a generic one for that, or how do you or every time you do that? I've never really asked. I've got 100 YouTube videos out there, but I've never really asked for subscriptions.
For that, to put into the link, if anybody again who's thinking about doing YouTube, I did a very detailed, very good, honestly, very good practical training on YouTube. It was a 5-day challenge, very structured. Day 1, we're just how to brainstorm. I just did a short summary for you in 10 minutes, but day 1, how to brainstorm for how do you find these video topics. Number 2, how to create these outlines that I just showed you on screen. Number 3, how to record your videos. Number 4, how to create these thumbnails. Number 5, how to optimize and upload them. If you're serious about YouTube, which you should be, if you have capacity for it, then definitely just schedule a time to watch this. And I would do it. I would schedule this a Monday watch. First hour of the day, I will watch this, follow along, as there's a worksheet and everything. You go to grab it and do it. So if you ask, does the VA write the description for the videos as well? Yes, usually ideally delegate it out to see how they do. Hopefully they do it well. If not, you'll have to go revise it yourself or start writing it yourself. Or in the Google sheet, you could say, hey, this is a description I want you to use. Just drop it off here, and then whenever they upload it, then they'll be able to do that, which actually I did.
Sam, have you used any of the AI services like Jarvis or Copy.ai?
For SEO, yeah, for content, for blog articles, yes. Actually, our team is using it. It does work really well, from what I know. So this is my own internal thing. Title, data was posted, was uploaded, was a thumbnail created. Here's a description, here's the URL, and then different platforms where I want it to be posted. Keeping track of it. Now we're just starting to do this for TikTok and Instagram, all that stuff. Here's the titles, There's a description. And then I want it to be posted on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Literally just yesterday, we gave out the instructions. We upload the videos into this folder. You, Mrs. VA, go post them. And you, other VA, go post them here. That's it. We just drop it off in the Google Drive folders, and they just have to keep track of it. And then Joe asked how many hours of YouTube videos per week, minutes per day. I would do it based on videos per week. So ideally 5 per week. Don't worry about the minutes per video in the beginning, especially. You just try to, make the best video you can. But ideally, from what I've seen, longer than 10 minutes usually does better. But sometimes it's hard to do 10 minutes. So just the gist of it is just make the best video you can for that topic. Basically the best.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.